All right, story problems. We will use the same exact setup for solving story problems all through first grade, all the way up through fifth grade. This is how they're set up. The numbers will get bigger. A lot of the vocabulary will stay the same. The three parts will stay the same. The success criteria: taking notes, modeling, showing your work, and writing the equation and then communicating your answer. So if we look at this story problem, Alex has 7 toy cars. His brother gives him 6 more. How many toy cars does Alex have now? The first thing we would want to talk about is our important numbers. So we know Alex has 7 toy cars. I'm going to circle that. We know that his brother gives him 6 more. That word tells us that we're adding, we're not taking away. It's important to look for words that say words like more that tell us what we're doing in each problem. How many toy cars does Alex have now? The notes do not need to be anything fancy. They can simply be something like this. I'm going to put A for Alex. He has 7 toy cars, so I might just put cars. He gets 6 more. I'm going to put 6 plus 6. And then I want to know how many he has now. That's all I need to do. So then I'm going to move on to show my work and write my equation. For this one, I'm going to draw a picture or use a number line. For this one, I'm going to show with a picture. So he has 7 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put my plus sign to remind myself I'm adding. I know he gets 6 more. 6. Then I would count them all up. I know that 7 plus 6 equals 13. Now, if your child prefers to use a number line, that is fine. The way they have to show their work in this spot is to draw a number line. They do not need to start at 1 and write all of their numbers in. They're going to start with the bigger number, 7. They're going to do 6 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If they already looked on their number line, they know they stop at 13. That is more than enough to show their work. And then again, write the equation. So then the last part, communicating the answer, that's sometimes the tricky part. Students forget to do that, or they think they already know the answer. They can always look back up at their problem and see what the question's asking. How many toy cars does Alex have now? All they have to put here is Alex has 13, you can even just say cars. Alex has 13 cars now. Or now Alex has 13 cars. Alex has 13 cars altogether. Alex has 13 cars. Any of those will work. So I am aware that that is not exactly proper grammar. We're getting Alex's name back down. We're getting the total number and what the question was asking, how many cars.